Hey, hi guys, how's it going? How are you all feeling today? Have you recovered from the excitement and all the booze and all the food and all the family festivities I'm sure that you've all been enjoying over the holiday? Well, here we go. It's midweek, time for a shave. And we've got a good one lined up for you today. If you're new to the channel, please click like and subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you once again for watching, especially this week. I know everybody's busy, I know everybody's on holiday. I was a bit wary about putting a shave up on Christmas Day because I knew people would be busy and so on, but I put it up and everybody liked it and watched it, so I was grateful for that. Thank you very much. Anyway, itchy nose, here we go, as you've seen in the thumbnail. We'll talk about the star of the show. Every shave video's got a star of the show. And here is today's. Look at this. PAA Star Wisp. Let's try and get this the right way up. Can you see that? There you go. 26mm acrylic purple. Look at this. It's based on a razor. I don't know what razor it's based on. Just dropped it. I don't razor. Did I say razor? Brush. It's based on a brush. I don't know what brush it's based on. That knot, I'll reserve judgment on that knot. It doesn't feel like any PAA knot that I've used before, but we'll just see. We'll stick that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. I'm sure the knot's going to be brilliant. It just doesn't feel like any PAA knot that I've used before. Okay, let's go on with the hardware. Stuart George did me a trade and I got this Executive Shavings, the Outlaw. Thank you, Stuart. Here we go. We'll take that off. I'm looking forward to this. I was a bit wary about getting it because of its reputation as a mild razor. You can see the M on there. Is it mild? So I was a bit wary, but he said to me, John, it isn't mild. And I've used it since, and he was right. It isn't mild. The blades I was talking, I think it was Christopher Thompson. I may be wrong. I'm sorry if I've dropped your name and it wasn't you. But I was talking via the comments about these blades. Silver Star. And I think he was saying he liked them, and I was saying I'm sure I've used them, but I couldn't remember. Well, I was doing a clear out of the den, a spring clean, and I found them. So I thought this is what we would go with today. Let's open it up. Super stainless, made in Egypt, Silver Star. Nice looking blade. Looks very sharp. Looks very sharp actually. Well, some people say, John, it's a razor blade. They're all going to look sharp, but believe me, they don't. I've opened some blades in here and I've been like, oh. But anyway, there you go. And we'll put that on there, and it comes with a washer. Everyone on, see the little recess in there? I would much rather just put the steel, I will show you, I'd much rather just put the steel right up to the recess like that. But if it comes with a washer, I'll use it with a washer, and then if I lose the washer or it wears away or something, I probably won't replace it. I've got to be honest with you, I don't see the point in them. I really don't. I've got razors, three-piece razors in there, 30, 40 years old, been used tens of thousands of times without a washer, and they're okay. But anyway, I digress. We'll stick that in there, but I understand if people want to use them, they'll use them. Going to be balming up Arko. Calm down, John. Arko sensitive balm. I was going to use tobacco, because tobacco goes really well with this, but I didn't want it to be too similar to a shave I did a while ago, because I'm going to be splashing up with Cavendish. Now, if you remember, I got this and I got it with a mashup. I don't think they had Cavendish. I couldn't get Cavendish, so I got Cavalier, which was a Cavendish and Gondolier mashup. Do you remember? So I got the Cavendish Splash because I knew, you see, I knew, forward thinking. I knew that one day this would be in the den, and here it is. You guys, you all told me, John, you need to try this. I like tobacco scents. I like pipe smoke scents. This absolutely, everybody, universally everybody said not only is it brilliant quality because it's PAA, the scent is phenomenal. Now, I haven't used it yet. There's the pour. I've taken, I've given loads away. I've got loads of soaps out and filled little pots and sent them to people hither and thither. But there you go. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Same again, pretty similar to the Cavalier. Beautiful, rich pipe smoke. It reminds me of something, I can't think what it is. Beautiful, lovely, sweet cherry pipe smoke there. So that's it. So without further ado, it's time. Wet the face and crack on, and then see what we can manage in the way of waffleisation. I've left the bathroom door cracked open because I'm awaiting a parcel from Herpes. There you go. I don't know what's happening with the post, I don't know what's happening with the parcels, I don't know who's delivering, who isn't. We've got backlogs and, oh, I tell you. But one parcel company has just been, so I think the other one's going to come. You see now, look at this, with that cutout on there and that acrylic handle. I would just naturally hold that like that. Oh. And there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Wow, here we go, this Cavendish. I would put the scent strength at about 6. And it still seems quite a thirsty salt. I think that's the regular Coke and butter formula. I don't think I could get it in CK6. Wow, well, I needn't have worried about that knot. Oh, wonderful. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. It just felt different in the hand dry there. It just felt different to any other PAA knot that I've used. If you've had that experience, let me know. But wow, yeah. Look at this. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. And I'm going to keep going. Dip the tips again. Let's have some fun with this. Wow. Yeah, wow, you could just keep going and going. Look at this. Oh my word. I don't like. Well, you saw how long we were loading that for. That wasn't long at all. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Very rich, very thick, very voluminous, and it smells fantastic. Yeah, I would put it at 6 scent strength. I think it's gone up just a little bit. Here we go. Now this razor. Yeah, these blades are taking it down. This razor is absolutely phenomenal. Stuart said to me, we'll do a trade. I say this every time I use it. We'll do a trade, this, that and the other. And I said, I'd love to. I said, but mild. So isn't it funny? It kind of opened my eyes on this wet shaving journey, because you think, how many other razors have I missed out on because they're supposed to be mild, you know? And this is, I think this is marketed as a mild. And I've got iron filing beards, guys, but believe me, this gave me one of the smoothest, closest shaves I've ever had. Bar none. It is an excellent, excellent razor. So please let me know in the comments if you've used any of this stuff, what you think of it. Let me know if you've used that Star Wisp. I haven't seen many people use it. It's an excellent brush. I don't expect anything else from Dug and Fran. Absolutely excellent. And that's our first pass done. Let me know what your shaves of the day are too. Because I think it was Chris was telling me about his shave of the day and we got talking about that. That Silver Star. Look at this, guys. How long was I loading that? Seconds, wasn't it? Yeah, so, you know, we find it interesting. People have been talking for months about Christmas. And from about 4 PM on Christmas Day onwards, nobody's ever mentioned it again. So we, in the United Kingdom, I don't know what it's like where you are, but I'll tell you, in the United Kingdom, Christmas Day and the day after, Boxing Day, they're what's called bank holidays, which means it's a day off work with full pay. Your employer has to give you the day off and pay you for it. Now if, say, your job, you have to work on a Monday, let's for talking sake, say you worked in the catering industry, the medical industry, something like that, they'd have to give you an extra day off with pay later on in the year, or pay you double rate. But anyway, there's a whole raft you could get into, but the top and bottom of a simpler version of it is you get a day off with pay. Now, because Christmas Day and Boxing Day fell on a Saturday and Sunday, and they're not classed as normal working days, Monday was a substitute bank holiday for Christmas Day, and today is a substitute bank holiday for Boxing Day. So I was off yesterday and today and getting paid for it in full. Now I had holidays to use up, so I used up three holidays for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. Now here's where it gets fun. New Year's Day is a bank holiday. We get about 9 of them a year, I think, throughout the year in this country. New Year's Day is a bank holiday. But because New Year's Day falls on the Saturday, Monday is a substitute bank holiday for New Year's Day. So, oh, have you switched off yet? Basically, I used up 3 days holiday and I finished at dinner time on Friday, and that's me for something like 12 or 13 days. And all I used up was 3 days holidays that I had to use up anyway. So I'm relaxed, I'm well rested, spent some time with the family. Yeah, here we go, against the grain. I'm liking this blade. I'm going to have to Google these and see where I can get these from. But look at, see what I mean about, man, look at that. It's just BBS. Absolute wonderful, wonderful razor this. I've heard a lot of hype about the Outlaw and Executive razors. Any hype you've heard about this is completely and utterly justified. If you've watched my videos, right from day one I have said when I wake up tomorrow, my beard area will be like sandpaper. The day after, they will be like little iron filings. They are so rough. They are so, so rough. And this is supposed to be slicing through them and leaving me DBS. So yeah, there's no slurp of the day today. Not having a drink today. Just going to edit this video, get it ready to go live in the morning. Maybe tidy the den up. And then I've got some work to do in real life, you know, for other stuff that I do. other activities I have going on other than shaving. Look at that, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Here we go, lather mittens. Well impressed with that brush, well impressed with that knot. And look at this, look, spilling it all over the place. We weren't loading for very long at all, were we? We weren't. Wow. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Just the usual suspects. They'll always be there. Here we go. Grows here. In so many different directions. The irritation comes so easily, but we'll call that. We will. Oh, wonderful. We'll call that. I'm going to do a cold water rinse. Oh, seal up those pores. Oh, I haven't been in the shower, but my wife and daughter have. So the bathroom is like a furnace. Oh, and there you go. That's us, guys. Oh, do you know, a fresh towel and a freshly shaved face. It's absolutely awesome. There you go. I'll do the Lancashire lean now, because I've said it before and I'll say it again. I like to satisfy all the people that watch my videos, and there are swathes of hot young females that watch this just for the lean in. There you go. What's that there? Look at that, guys. Nothing. Not a hair. Well, nothing. Not a nick, not a cut, not a weeper. Absolutely brilliant. Here we go. The real taste test. Get some Cavendish on here. The inside of the lid. Don't know whether to... What do you think of these plastic restrictors, guys? I'm not keen. I like them engineered into the bottle. Look at that. Nothing. Nothing. Not a sting. Oh, the scent is fantastic. That razor, do you know, I've probably said it about other razors, but I'll say it again and it's true. If I wasn't making these videos, that's probably one of the only razors I'd use. I'd have about 3 razors. But believe me, that would be one of them. A little bit too much on there. There you go. And that's our shave, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for all your support. Especially the Christmas Day shave. I wasn't sure how that one would be taken, but I uploaded it and it was fine. So I hope you're all enjoying your holidays. Hope you're all healthy, wealthy, safe. Hope you all got what you were expecting. None. That's me done. Going to enjoy the rest of my week, and I will see you on Saturday. And I heard a really good quote. I heard a really good quote, made me sit and think. Hey, you change the world by your example, not by your opinion. Show some love, guys. Look after yourself, and I will see you all on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.